Hi guys, welcome back to another Gacha Beatbox Battles. Last time on Gacha Beatbox Battles, it was a showdown between Shibanyan and Pikachu, which we're gonna do today. Help? I see you. I need help, please. Fine. We're doing a beatbox, right? Right. Yeah. Pikachu, come here. Pikachu. Hi, I'm here. Yeah, you should look around. Okay, get started. 3, 2, 1.
Pikachu! Hello there, Mr. Cat. You look like Felix the Cat. I wonder why. Are you evil because you can't have any friends anymore? Hey, my beatbox is so rad. You can beatbox. Ready? Hey, Felix the Cat. I watched your show before. It was bad. Just like my movie. Ha! I couldn't even let care less than my movie. Felix the Cat can't even beat me because he doesn't have a cat. So why he's trying to beat me? Ha! He can't even beat Shibanyan. If he was better, he would be right in the box. Yeah, ew.
That wasn't half bad, but here we go in 3, 2, 1, go.
I'm going to electrocute you with my My show was better than yours because you didn't even care about us because you can't even get your own cute self in another one because you're just an ugly rat. Do you know there's an animal called Pikachu, huh? That was funny. I watched one of your shows and I saw another Pikachu. It looked bad, just like you. That I can change shape to anything. I can go big, I can go small. I can kill your children, even when you can't. Kill you. Then the boat.
Alright, that's it for this video. If you like it, like and subscribe and hit that bell. I'm Senpai's Arts. I'll see you in the next one. Please pick someone scary. We never done someone scary this time. And yeah, I need help. Bye!